NR Display Metal Customized Company is the manufacturer that produces and designs metal clothes display stands and shelves since 2011. We have been providing international, professional, individuated, and systematic vision marketing services for franchised store, apparel display industry, design company, fashion design studio, furniture manufacturer, etc. for 11 years. NR Display has been provided display racks, clothes stand, display cabinet, etc. One-stop service to Goldlion with our professional and dedicated service since 2017. Goldlion has always insisted on excellent quality and extraordinary taste for all products. Its brand influence has remained enduring for more than half a century. In the long history of brand development, Goldlion has always adhered to the exquisite craftsmanship, established an industrial standard for the Asia men's clothing market, and became an image brand of Chinese suits, accompanying Chinese men to achieve their careers, according to the diversified development of product styles and further division of market positioning. Goldlion's products have been comprehensively upgraded from the Golden Label, Purple Label, and Red Label series to the three major series for administrative business, urban life, and holiday leisure to meet the needs of different consumer groups and different usage scenarios. Goldlion was started making high-end handmade tie in Hong Kong in 1968. Now it covers a full range of men's high-end clothing, such as ready-to-wear, shoes, leather goods, accessories, etc., and becomes a well-known menswear brand. Everyone is diligently seeking, constantly exploring, and writing his own extraordinary story in his life. Endless heart on the road is Goldlion, and NR Display's persistence for constantly exploring new products. Craftsmanship is constantly expanding into new fields. Goldlion brand and NR Display have made innovations and breakthroughs step by step. Let's create brilliant achievements together, you and NR Display.